Happy day, children. This is our next topic on Class 3 English Grammar, Present, Past, and Future Continuous Tense. Present Continuous Tense. The present continuous tense is used to show an action that is taking place now or in the present moment. The verb in this sentence ends with ing. It uses the following structure: am or is or are plus verb with ing. Examples: I am sitting in the church right now. The choir is singing. The people are talking among themselves. The present continuous tense exists in three forms: positive, negative, and interrogative. The structure of the positive form is subject with am or is or are along with verb and ing. Example: he is playing. The structure of the negative form: subject plus am or is or are not plus verb along with ing. Example: he isn't playing. Interrogative form: am or is or are with the subject and a verb plus ing. Example: is he playing? The usage of present continuous tense to describe something which is happening at the exact moment. Example: Jim is watching television at the moment. Number 2. To describe an action that is taking place now but not at the exact moment of the speech. Example: John is working in London. Number 3. To describe an event planned in the future. Example: I am taking my drawing class on Tuesday. Now the next, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to show an action that was going on at a past time. The verb in this tense usually ends with ing. The structure of the past continuous tense is was or were plus verb plus ing. Here are few examples for the past continuous tense. The students were studying for the test. We were sleeping when the bell rang. Reena was swimming yesterday evening. Now the three forms of the past continuous tense: positive, negative, and interrogative. The structure of the positive form is was or were along with the subject and verb with ing. Example: was she sleeping when he came home? The negative form: subject plus was or were plus not plus verb with ing. Example: she was not sleeping when he came home. The interrogative form: subject plus was or were along with the verb and ing. Example: she was cooking all the morning. Now, here is the usage of the past continuous tense. Number 1. To describe the parallel actions. Example: while I was washing the dishes, I heard a loud noise. Number 2. To describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time. Example: I was working in the garden all day yesterday. And number 3. To express interrupted action in the past. For example, I was driving to work when I crashed my car. Now at the last, future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to show an action that will be happening in the future. The verb in this tense also ends with ing. The structure of the future continuous tense is will or shall plus beb plus verb along with ing. Here are few examples for the future continuous tense. The band will be playing in the city next week. The chief guest will be arriving soon. She will be acting in the new movie. Now the three forms of the future continuous tense. Positive form. Subject plus will plus be plus verb with ing. Example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Then a negative form. Subject plus will plus not plus be along with verb and ing. Example, I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. Now the third form, interrogative. Interrogative is nothing but the question form. Will plus subject plus be plus verb with ing. Example, will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? Now, we are going to see about the usage of the future continuous tense. Number 1. To describe interrupted actions in the future. Example, when you come tomorrow, they will be playing tennis. Number 2. To express the actions in the progress at a specific time in future. For example, at 12 o'clock tomorrow, we will be having lunch at school. Number 3. To ask a question about the future. For example, will you be bringing your friend to the party tonight? Now, I think children you all are clear with all the types of continuous tenses. Present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Thank you children.